Top Sellerie Auto shows you the assembly process for commercial vehicle covers. First we prepare our tools, the new cover, the matching foam, metal bars, pliers and hog ring staples. We'll start with the new cover, removing it from its box. We take the cover and turn it inside out, then we're going to open it up and prepare it for the installation of the metal bars. Next, we measure the sizes of the metal bars we're going to need, and cut the bar to the correct size. This is done for all the parts in which we have the metal sheaths. We're now going to prepare the tips of the metal bars, by turning the ends inwards. This will allow us to slide them into the sleeves without tearing. Once we've placed all the metal bars in their corresponding sheaths, we can go ahead and install the cover on the foam. We're now going to take our cover and place it on the foam with the sheaths in the corresponding places. Please note that we have pre-installed metal bars on the inside of our foam, which will allow us to staple the sheaths to the foam and prevent them from tearing. We take our hog ring plier and place a staple directly on it. This will help us work easier. We're going to staple the metal bar that's in the sheath with the metal bar that's inside the foam. We are careful to have both bars hooked into our clamp before tightening it. We'll repeat this process on the ends and middle of each bar. We need to take our time, so we don't make a mistake or tear anything. Once we've finished stapling all the bars to the foam, we'll finally cover the foam. We need to pull the foam tight at the ends so it fits perfectly on the sides. Please note that our covers are sent with plastic profiles as original so that you can staple your seats. Now all we have to do is make sure that any folds that may remain are removed. We do our utmost to make the final look perfect. With our assembly supplement, you receive everything ready to install in your vehicle. Our assembly is ready, all we have to do is pack it up and send it to you. We hope this video has cleared up any doubts you may have. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by email or chat.